Good morning, Kay and Victoria here, and today we are joined by Kelby Bittman with Pillar to Post Inspections, and we are here for your home inspection.
Yes, we are.
How do you feel?
I'm excited.
Okay,
I'm looking forward to it.
good.
Can't-
Almost at the finish line.
I know. I feel like it went fast, but at the same time, it was kind of slow toward the end. Like, okay, hurry up.
Right.
Almost finished.
Right.
Today, we are here to do a whole home inspection. Yes, even though this is new construction, I always still say to get a home inspection. So today, we are going to let Kelby give you some information on just different tips and the importance and value of getting a home inspection.
Yeah, in this market, it is, I'm sure, very tempting to skip a home inspection to make your offer a little more appealing to the sellers. What I heard quite a bit, but what I find is a home inspection is very important for a couple reasons. One, it's going to identify any major defects with the home. Two, what you're going to get is a lot of peace of mind. So what I hear from clients a lot of times when I walk around with them during a home inspection is, yes, we're pointing out things that are wrong with the house, but we're also going through and giving them a lot of information, a lot of knowledge, whether it's a new house, an old house, that they can then take and feel better about their purchase and have a little bit more information going forward on it.
All right. So as you heard from the professional himself, that home inspections are a great value to when you're shopping and looking for a new home.